Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Here you can find the area of the field in this method. Like suppose this is the quadrilateral. Therefore, we can find the area of the quadrilateral as area of quadrilateral area of quadrilateral area of quadrilateral ABCD A B C D is equal to area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. Now we find the area of the triangle ADC. We know that area of a triangle is half base into height. That is half base is AC into AC and height is H1. We have taken it as H1 plus area of triangle ABC. It is half of base is AC and height is taken as H2. Right? Therefore, we are getting half 1 by 2 into AC into H1 plus H2. Right? Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 half. We find the AC, value of AC is 24 meter. That is 24 into H1. This is H1 is 13 meter. H1 is 13 meter plus H2 is 8 meter. 8. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 into 24 into 13 plus 8, 21. 2 into 12, 22, 2 to the 4. Now, if we multiply 12 with 21, then we are getting multiply 12 with 21 is 202, 101, 2 to the 4, 202, that is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 252, 252. That's the area of the field. Therefore, area of the field is equal to 252 meter square. Right? Therefore, we got the area of the field as 252 meter square. Here we find the area of the coordinate ABCD is area of triangle ADC, that is ADC, the area of triangle ABC. We know that area of a triangle is half base into height, that is 1 by 2. Base is AC and height is here H1. And here plus 1 by 2 AC into H2. Or we have taken 1 by 2 into AC, H1 plus H2. 1 by 2 into 24. AC, value of AC is 24, H1 is 13 and H2 is 8. So 1 by 2 into 24 into 21. 22 to the 4. Right? If we multiply 12 with 21, we are getting 252. Therefore, the area of the field is 252 meter square. This is answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.